Yeah, I got him.
Wait. You gotta have some oldies on. From Mark. Got my oldies playing too.
Push it together and then undo it.
Hey, did you play this?
Fuck no.
It's not dirty back there. See how thick it is?
Right there. Give me one of those shirts right there, bro. You down to go over there and help pick up a table saw? Nah. Mark.
Who is this kid?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm down.
Little bit too big.
I don't think you get that blade through. Oh, maybe you can.
Okay, I'm fucking this up today. Some nice stuff, man.
Sticks pretty well, huh?
It's pretty thick and it sticks pretty well, man. What? Hey, send me the address. It's pretty good stuff, man. Seriously, man. Oh, look. Yeah, very different, too. No problem. The way it lays on there, not bad. Pretty good product so far. See how it holds up. Heat and stuff, but still my seat.
Oh, it does get stickier.
Your man said, hurry your punk ass up. Your man said, hurry your punk ass up. Yeah, I mean, say like that for real. That's gangster ass though. He said don't start no shit, there won't be none.
He what?
He said don't start no shit, there won't be none.
He's off 39th Avenue Thunderbird?
Yeah.
Water lounging, sea kayaking.
Northwest craft beer sampling,
Had me a beer.
local appreciating,
Refreshing.
and ridiculously fun trip to Seattle. There's nothing quite like Seattle in the summertime. Visit Seattle.com to start.
Yeah, he was clumsy as me. I always cut myself.
Photos from Seattle.
Oh, yep, that's what Shock Matt does to you.
Yeah. Thingy.
What?
When you cut yourself with the
Matt.
oh, with the mat.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sharp, it's sticky too.
they cut himself with the blade. Didn't have the edges rubbered off.
Man, don't get blood all over that shit, dog. That's what I said.
Fuck.